Would you like to know what Vikings ate? Today, we're diving into 4 easy Viking-inspired meals, plus a dessert that anyone can make at home with simple ingredients and minimal cooking skills. These recipes draw from foods and cooking methods common in the Viking Age, circa 800 to 1100 AD, adapting them for modern kitchens. We'll focus on hearty grains, root vegetables, fish, meat, and simple seasonings, staying true to the rustic spirit of Viking cuisine. First up, Viking-style barley porridge, a versatile staple that can be savory or sweet. It's hearty and incredibly easy to prepare. For this, you'll need 1 cup of pearl barley, 4 cups of water or broth, and optionally, a small onion, butter or oil, and salt. Rinse the barley, then sauté the onion in butter or oil until soft. Add the barley and liquid, bring to a boil, then simmer for 25 to 30 minutes until tender. Season with salt, or for a sweet version, stir in honey or dried berries. Barley was a primary grain in Norse diets, providing essential sustenance. Next, we have pan-seared fish with root vegetables. Fish was a common food in Viking coastal diets, often paired with readily available root vegetables. You'll need 2 fish fillets, like cod or salmon, 2 sliced carrots, 2 sliced parsnips or turnips, butter or oil, and salt and pepper. Sear the seasoned fish for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden. Then, in the same skillet, cook the carrots and parsnips for 8 to 10 minutes until tender. Serve the fish alongside the vegetables, garnished with fresh dill or parsley if you like. Vikings heavily relied on these ingredients, often cooking them over open fires. Our third dish is a simple Viking stew, a hearty one-pot meal using basic ingredients accessible to Vikings. For this stew, you'll need 1 pound of diced lamb or beef, or 1 cup of dried lentils for a vegetarian option, along with chopped onion, carrots, and turnip. You'll also need 4 cups of water or broth, 1 cup of barley or oats, and salt, pepper, and optional herbs like thyme or dill. Brown the meat, then add the vegetables and cook until softened. Stir in the barley or oats, liquid, and seasonings, then simmer for 45 to 60 minutes. Stews were a common way for Vikings to combine meat, grains, and vegetables, cooked slowly over a fire. Serve it hot with bread. Finally, for dessert, we have baked apples with honey and nuts, a simple, sweet treat using ingredients available to Vikings. You'll need 2 firm apples, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of chopped hazelnuts or walnuts. A pinch of cinnamon is optional for a modern touch. Core the apples, fill them with honey and nuts, then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until soft. Serve warm, drizzled with any leftover honey. Apples, honey, and nuts were common in Norse diets, often combined for a sweet treat. These recipes require only basic equipment: a pot, a skillet, and an oven-safe dish. No special tools are needed. For substitutions, whole wheat flour or oats can replace barley, and any firm fish or meat works based on availability. While simplified for modern kitchens, these recipes reflect authentic Viking ingredients. Remember, cinnamon is a modern addition, not historically accurate. Viking meals were typically 2 a day, dagger in the morning and mvur in the evening, often eaten with wooden bowls and spoons. These recipes are inspired by historical accounts and archaeological findings, aiming to capture the spirit of Viking cuisine, though precise historical accuracy is challenging. We hope you enjoy cooking like a Viking. Share your own Viking-inspired recipes and variations in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more historical cooking adventures.